Another opportunity dito para sa CSPC Blue Stallion. Tries for that 3 and pasok nga. Unang 3 sa hapon na ito para dito sa ating Blue Stallion courtesy of Veletario.
At maagang timeout dito ang USI Falcons. 7-0 minutes and 47 seconds. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating first quarter na bakbakan Blue Stallion against the USI Falcons. At abante nga dito ang ating CSPC Blue Stallion 0 against 7.
Ball to inbound ngayon. Ang Falcons, jersey number 2, passes to Quijano. And that's gonna be a turnover. The ball will still be on the side of the Falcons. Jersey number 2. Mabibitawan ng bola.
Now, CSPC Blue Stallion. Correa for that 3, no good.
At babalik sa Falcons ang bola. Ravalo. Passes to his teammate. Wala pa rin.
Now, ball possession ulit dito ng ating CSPC Blue Stallion. At sumalaksak nga doon si Nianggar to add to their score.
Ravalo passes to Quijano. Balik kay Ravalo ang bola. Quijano, what will he do? Passes to Luke. Passes jersey number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. 4. At wala pa rin. Correa is down here. Jersey number 24.
So tatawagan dito ng first personal foul ang kupunan ng USI Falcons. Now, papalabasin muna dito si Correa para sa ating Blue Stallion. Nine and 0 sa ating scoreboard dito.
Cuatro is on the free throw line. That's gonna be the first point. Cuatro in and out.
Now Labalan. Passes to his teammate, Nianggar with the ball. Back to Labalan. And jersey number 17, Veletario, libreng-libre on that last play.
Ravalo signaling for a play. Passes to Luke. Passes to Quijano. Quijano is looking for his teammate. Jersey number 2 passes to Ravalo. No good for that 3-point attempt. Agawan ng bola. At makukuha yan ng Blue Stallions.
Again, Blue Stallion here ang may hawak ng bola. Veletario. Looking for his teammate now. Labalan ang may hawak ng bola ngayon for the Blue Stallion. 10 seconds to shoot. And on that corner, makakakuha daw ng 3 points si Moran.
Jersey number 2, passes to Quijano. Balik kay Ravalo. Jersey number 2 for 3. No good in that attempt. And a whistle foul here. And Ravalo is on the free throw line. Still a slow start for the Falcons. Ravalo. And the steal for the Stallions.
Now Labalan. Again, all is well on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion ngayon.
Cuatro. An attempt, no good.
Back to CSPC ball. Labalan ngayon looking for his teammate. Now, Cornelio. Another attempt and it was good. A hot start from this Blue Stallion squad.
Quijano tries. No good. The ball will go to the Stallions.
The ball will remain on the side of the Blue Stallion.
Posada, Castro, and Borges in. Maagang substitution dito sa side ng Falcons.
Now De Young to inbound. De Young. And a traveling violation was called on the player of the CSPC Blue Stallion. Again, traveling violation is brought to you by Nagayan Travel and Tours. Nagayan, live your dreams, create memories.
Posada passes to jersey number 13. No good for that attempt.
Now, CSPC Blue Stallion basketball. Cornelio on that corner, too short. Again, an offensive rebound on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. De Young. Again, great defense dito. Cornelio on that three, no good. Now, Cornelio Jason on that free throw line for an opportunity. Clean basket on that first attempt. A 20-point comfortable lead para dito sa ating Blue Stallion. What a great first quarter para sa kanilang kupunan.
Ball possession ngayon ng Falcons. Posada ngayon may hawak ng bola. Passes sa jersey number 77. That's gonna be a whistle foul. And the ball will still go on the side of the Falcons. Quijano, may hawak ng bola. Passes sa jersey number 18. Tries for deep 3. Unang 3 para sa Falcons.
Now, Belhica. De Young to Jason Cornelio. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Blue Stallion. De Jong. Pumasok sa gitna. Basket count. Samahan pa yan dito ng foul. Now De Jong on that free throw line again for an opportunity. Now, mag-shoutout muna tayo, Alden, sa ating mga live viewers sa ating Facebook. Shoutout dito kay Christine Reyes na nanunood sa atin live na live. Thank you so much po. Again, back to the hardcore tayo. Nakita naman natin doon on that last sequence, De Jong with the score.
Quijano ngayon, may hawak ng bola for the Falcons. What will he do? An attempt, and that's good for 2 points.
Now, Belhica. De Jong to Belhica. Belhica ngayon, gumagawa ng paraan. No good.
And that's good for the Falcons.
And a timeout was called by the CSPC Blue Stallion side. 8:27 sa ating talaan. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Magbabalik po kami dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. 27 against 8 of the Falcons. Still a slow start for the Falcons. At dito naman sa Stallions, mainit na start sa kanila. And really a comfortable lead for our first quarter. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining.
Yes, Adrian, let's see kung ano bang gagawin dito ng USI Falcons because I believe this is not their full potential. So let's see kung ano pang gagawin nila on this remaining time sa ating first quarter.
Falcons ngayon ang bola. Burse. Balik sa kanya. Tries for 3. Wala. Ball possession ngayon ng Falcons. Jersey number 10 passes to 18. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Posada.
Another steal para dito sa ating Blue Stallion. De Jong, itatawid dito ang bola. Cornelio Jason to De Jong. De Jong taking his time, tries for that 3 and makakakuha pa nga ng 3 para sa last play na yon.
Chance para bumawi dito ng Falcons. An attempt for 3 and that's good.
Now Belhica and a whistle from our referee here. Now Belhica for that free throw. Unang attempt, pasok para dito sa ating Blue Stallion. 33-11 sa ating talaan. A double digit. Again, dagdagan mo pa ng isa.
Jersey number 10, may hawak ng bola. An attempt again, no good for the Falcons.
Belhica, De Jong for 3, no good.
Defensive rebound dito ang Falcons. And a whistle foul. At ball possession nga ng Falcons. Borse, passes jersey number 10. An inside pass to Mendoza, no good. 4, may hirapan.
CSPC basketball ngayon. Labalan. Passes to Jason and Labalan for 3, no good. Now Adan on that free throw line. No good on that first try. Again, no good para dito kay Adan. Turnover. Now USI Falcons with a ball possession.
Falcons nahihirapan. And that's gonna be a turnover. Bola pa rin yan ng Falcons. Mendoza. May hawak ng bola. Papasok sa loob. No good.
And the whistle coming from our referee here. Posada. Magkakaroon ngayon ng opportunity on that free throw line.
That's good for Posada. A clean basket for Posada.
Now Labalan. Agawan nga dito ng bola. And now, that's the end of our first quarter here. 34-13 sa ating talaan. Don't go away kasi sa aming pagbabalik magpapatuloy tayo para sa ating second quarter. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium for our second quarter, 34-13, a safe margin for the Blue Stallions. And nagahabol pa rin dito ang Falcons, and we'll see if they can boost their confidence and momentum here. Posada may hawak ng bola. And that's gonna be a foul. Whistled. The Blue Stallions player, jersey number 25. Quijano. Pasok sa Mendoza. Posada may hawak ng bola. Papasok sa loob. And that's good for 2 points.
Now, CSPC Basketball, Labalan. May hawak ng bola dito. The ball will go on the side of the Blue Stallion. Now, substitution on the side of Falcons. Remo is in. Lianggar to Atanasio. Now, Atanasio. Nabitawan nga ang bola doon. At para makihingi tayo ng update sa side ng USA Falcons, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Aljon. It was a bad start for the Falcons, but during the huddle, Coach Tupe remind the boys that they should improve their passing and screening sa kanilang depensa. The Falcons are going to start with a good defense and sacrifice. Dagdag pa nito na huwag magmadali. They have to trust the process dahil may natitira pang 3 quarters. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. So really, nahihirapan nga ang Falcons, but they are trying to focus on their defense since magagaling ang shooting skills ng Stallions. We'll see kung makakadikit sila dito as 4 for 2 points.
Now, ball possession ng CSPC Blue Stallion. At ready na nga ang ating courtside reporter sa side ng Blue Stallion para sa kanyang update. Amanda, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Aljon. A blazing fight in our first quarter. The Blue Stallions are now showing off their game and fine ball transition. Ipinapakita na nga ng blue team ang kanilang naging paganda, and it seems like the mental conditioning went effective for their communication inside the hard court. Pinangunahan nga ng 3 puntos ni Velitario, Moran at Deang ang grupo. After the great performance of the boys, Coach Peter still reminded them to stay focused and be consistent. Lastly, Coach Peter advised that they must apply more pressure for them to maintain their defense. That is the latest updates from the side of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Amanda. So it's really their mental preparation, their backbone against the Falcons, and also they're trying to put pressure on the side of the Falcons for them to really widen the gap here.
Now, Atanasio. Makakakuha pa nga ng 2 puntos on that last sequence.
At ball possession ngayon ng Falcons. Jersey number 11. Posada may hawak ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Papasok sa loob, and that's good.
Labalan. Passes to his teammate, Atanasio. Again, successfully done para dito sa Blue Stallion.
Jersey number 6. Passes to his teammate. No good for the 3-point attempt. Offensive rebound at wala pa rin. And a whistle foul was called to the Stallions. Jersey number 17. And that's a point for Castro.
Atanasio nagmamadali dito. Passes to his teammate. At makakakuha nga dito ng toss si Adan.
Jersey number 17, Ravalo. Passes to Burse. At mabibitawan nila ang bola.
Now, Nianggar leading their team here. Talagang maganda ngayon ang execution ng ating Blue Stallion.
Quijano. Passes to Burse. Kay Ravalo ang bola. 5 seconds to shoot. Quijano mabibitawan ng bola, and that's going to be the basketball of the Stallions.
Now, ball possession ulit ngayon dito ng Blue Stallion. The ball will remain on the side of the CSPC Blue Stallion. Now, Atanasio passes his teammate. Passing his teammate Moran. And out of bounds ball.
Ball possession ngayon ang Falcons. Ravalo may hawak ng bola. Jersey number 6. Passes again to Ravalo. Ravalo papasok sa loob. The layup. And that's good.
Atanasio, wala ngang sumabay on that last sequence. And a great conversion point para dito sa ating Blue Stallion. Ravalo to Remo. And now Remo looking for his teammate.
Another attempt, still no good. And pumasok ngayon.
Now the Falcons is getting slowly their rhythm here. Pero hindi talaga dito nagpapabaya ang ating Blue Stallion. Nakakuha na naman ng another points on that last play. Ravalo to Quijano.
And that's a whistle foul. Call to CSPC.
Now, magkakaroon ngayon ng free throw opportunity dito si Ravalo coming from that last play.
No good for that first attempt. Wala pa rin.
Now, De Young para dito sa free throw on the side of the Blue Stallion. First attempt, pasok ngayon. One more time for De Young. No good. Offensive rebound dito para sa CSPC Blue Stallion pero still ng USI Falcons.
Quijano tries, no good.
Now, CSPC basketball. De Young with the ball. Adan 4-3 and it was good.
Ball possession ngayon ng Falcons. Ravalo signaling for a play. No good for that attempt. Ravalo. Makukuha ang bola. Papasok. No good for his attempt.
Now, Posada ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Passes to Castro.
Castro passes to Ravalo. An attempt for 3. Kapos.
Nianggar with the ball here on the Blue Stallion side. No good.
That's gonna be the ball of the CSPC.
Claverio, no good on that 3.
In and out for Luke.
Nianggar looking for his teammate. De Young with the ball for 3. No good. Now Nianggar to Jason Cornelio on that corner pocket at makakapasok nga ang tres na yon.
Ball possession ngayon ang Falcons. Still no good for that attempt.
Now, Nianggar with the ball. Adan for 3, too short.
Ball possession ang Falcons ngayon. An assist, and that's good.
Jason Cornelio. Muntik pang maagawan dito ni Ravalo. Now, De Young may hawak ng bola dito para sa Blue Stallion. Jason Cornelio. Adan looking for his teammate. Moran in the middle. Pero ball possession ulit dito ng CSPC Blue Stallion. At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng CSPC Blue Stallion. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here live at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. 1 minute and 35 seconds for our second quarter.
Now, De Young to inbound para dito sa Blue Stallion. Adan, 4-3 again. Grabe talaga dito ang pinapakitang performance ng Blue Stallion.
Castro, papasok sa loob. No good. And a whistle foul was called to number 7 of CSPC.
Castro on that free throw line para dito sa USI Falcons.
CSPC Stallions ngayon.
De Young looking for his teammate. Now, Moran to De Young, and let's see. 5 seconds to shoot. Pero nakuha ito ng USI Falcons and Posada with that point conversion.
$45 seconds on the shot clock.
De Young with the ball. Passes to Adan, and now Cornelio Jason. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Ball possession ngayon ng Falcons. Again, Posada para sa puntos na iyon. 15 seconds remaining on our second quarter here. No good. Now Adan chooses De Young 4-3. No good. And a whistle coming from our referee here. So 2 seconds and 56 counts remaining on our second quarter here. And still, abante pa rin dito ang ating Blue Stallion, Ravalo on that free throw.
Still naghahabol pa dito ang Falcons. Ravelo ready for his second attempt. And that's good for Ravelo.
That's it. That's the end of our second quarter here. 58-34 sa ating talaan. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating second half only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Bilis laki, ipis taba, BMEG! Bilis kita!
Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya
Tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge.
And we are back here live at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our third quarter. Still, mainit pa rin dito ang CSPC, and dito naman sa side ng Falcons, naghahabol pa rin sila and trying to really get close sa puntos ng Stallions.
So for our halftime analysis, talagang maganda dito ang pinapakita ng CSPC Blue Stallion. When it comes to their points of turnovers, talagang abante dito ang CSPC. And sa kanilang mga made attempts, CSPC pa rin dito ang nangunguna together with the total field goals, 21 out of 38. So amazing basketball game dito para sa ating CSPC Blue Stallion. And now, andito tayo ngayon sa ating second half. And still, abante dito ang ating Blue Stallion.
Another three for the Stallions, and that's good. Jersey number 11, passes to Burse. Balik kay Labaro, passes to Burse. And no good for that 3-point attempt. Wala pa rin.
Nianggar. No whistle, so the ball will remain on the side of the Blue Stallion. Agawan nga dito ng bola. Offensive rebound para dito sa ating Blue Stallion. The ball will stay on their side. Nianggar to inbound. No good for that three. The ball will go on the side of the Falcons.
Ravalo to inbound. Ball possession ngayon ng Falcons. Borse. Passes to Quijano. Quijano trying to make a way. No good for that attempt. At para makarinig tayo ng update sa side ng Stallion, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Amanda. Amanda, anong update natin dyan?
And it goes well. Thank you so much, Rick and Algin. The Blue Stallions are maintaining their game up until the second half. They had a great ball passage and shooting, but then the Blue Stallions remain certain with their performance. They are now on their 3-2 defense at tuloy ang pressure na ibinibigay nila sa kalaban. Their game plan is now manifesting on the hard court, and the positive hope remains that on their fourth game, they will get the spot. Lastly, Coach Peter said that they already hit the spot, and he reminded the player to go back on first quarter play for a great defensive performance. I'll bring you updates later, so stay tuned at One Media TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Amanda, for that update. So yun nga, kailangan lang ditong ma-maintain ang composure inside the court ng ating Blue Stallion para makakuha talaga ng panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Now, patuloy pa rin ditong umaarangkada ang ating Blue Stallion.
Ball possession ngayon ng Falcons. We'll see. Burse. Passes to jersey number 10. Balik kay Burse. trying for 3. No good. And a save by 4. And that's good for Burse. At para makarinig tayo ng update sa side naman ng Falcons, tawagin natin si Chen. Chen, anong update dyan?
Ayan, Rick and Aljon, despite the efforts na makahabol during the second quarter, lumalamang pa rin ang Blue Stallions. Kaya naman this half quarter is very crucial for our Falcons. Kaya Coach Tupe always reminding the team about their fast recovery. Dahil nakakalamang pa rin nga ang Blue Stallions. Always play without rushing and play one step at a time. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen. So really, the Falcons is finding their groove here for this quarter, and we'll see if they can sustain their energy up until fourth quarter at kung makakadikit nga ba sila sa puntos ng Stallions.
Now, CSPC Blue Stallion basketball, Nianggar passes to Arcilia. Now, Arcilia to Atanasio. 5 seconds to shoot. Belhica, nahihirapan dito. Layup, no good on that.
4, passes to his teammate. Again, tries for 3. No good for that attempt. Makukuha ni Ravalo. Balik sa Falcons. And a good 2 points for Falcons. At napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang Stallions. Magbabalik po kami. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here live at Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. And still the CSPC are on the groove here. De Yang passes to his teammate. Trying to make a way. 10 seconds to shoot. No good for that attempt. That's gonna be a turnover. The ball will go to the Falcons. Ball to inbound ngayon ang Falcons. And Posada to inbound. Burse. Balik kay Posada. Tries for deep 3. Kapos. That's gonna be a turnover again. De Yang may dala ng bola. Passes to Belhica. At may matatawagan dito ng foul. Jersey number 4 of the Stallions. Look is in for the Falcons. At ball possession pa rin yan ng Falcons. Burse with the ball. Passes to Mendoza. Mendoza finding a way to get a point. Pasok 4. Pasok yon. 2 points.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng CSPC Blue Stallion. 5 minutes remaining on our third quarter here. De Yang, derecho no good.
No good for that attempt.
Now De Young on that free throw line for an opportunity to add on their score here on our third quarter. No good on that first attempt. One more try for De Young. And a clean basket for him.
Ball possession ngayon ng Falcons. Mendoza with the ball. Passes to his teammate. Burse, nahihirapan. That's gonna be an 8 seconds violation.
Now, Veletario to inbound, passes to De Young. Back to Veletario. And now Cornelio Jason. Jump shot is good.
Falcons ngayon. Ang bola. Look, passes to Mendoza. Mendoza with the ball. Trying to find a way to get a point. And he makes it. And Mendoza is on the free throw line here. No good for that attempt. Stallions umaarangkada at mabibitawan ng bola, and that's gonna be a turnover. The ball will go to with the Falcons. Castro with the ball. Passes to Mendoza. Papasok sa loob at mahihirapan. And a foul was called to the CSPC Blue Stallions. Jersey number 35 of the Stallions. Castro to inbound. Castro is on the free throw line here. No good for that first attempt. And secure 1 point for Castro.
Ball possession ngayon ng CSPC Blue Stallion. A tight defense coming from the USA Falcons.
Castro passes to Mendoza. Mendoza passes to his teammate. And a good 3 points for Luke.
Now Cornelio Jason. Bantay sarado ulit dito ng depensa ng Falcons. Labalan tatawagan nga dito ng foul ang player ng USI Falcons. Now, De Jong to inbound para dito sa Blue Stallion. And Cornelio Jason again for that 3 points.
Mendoza with the ball. Passes to Rabalo, balik kay Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Tries for 3. No good for that attempt.
Now, Labalan. May hawak ng bola dito para sa CSPC Blue Stallion.
Defensive rebound and that's gonna be a whistle. The ball will still go to the USI Falcons. Ravalo passes to Castro, passes to Luke.
The ball will remain on the side of the Falcons.
Cuatro is on the free throw line. And a good for 1 point.
Now, CSPC Basketball at tatawagan dito ng foul si Ravalo. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining on our third quarter here. 71 against 50. Abante pa rin dito ang ating Blue Stallion. De Jong to Labalan. Another tight defense. Free throw dito para kay Labalan. Pasok nga iyon. One more try for Labalan. No good. Castro with the rebound. Falcons ball possession ngayon. Castro for 3. No good.
That's gonna be a turnover. The ball will go to the Stallions.
Now, Labalan. Depensa ulit dito. 1v1 sila dito ni Ravalo, pero Labalan with that 2-point. Amazing move. Last 2 minutes of the game. Ravalo, 4-3. Too short. Now, De Jong with the ball. Ten seconds to shoot for the Blue Stallion here. No good. Ravalo. Passes to Mendoza. Mendoza, no good. But a second chance point here coming from jersey number 13.
Ang gandang alalay nun. Coming from Luke. Mendoza. A wrong pass. Another turnover.
The ball will remain on the side of the USI Falcons here. 35 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter ngayon. Mendoza to Ravalo. And a steal from De Young. De Young with the ball. Passes to Belhica. Belhica on that layup, no good. Second chance point
Makukuha
again.
yan. Yes, Rick. Ni Ravalo. Dire-diretso. And a whistle foul was called to the CSPC, and Ravalo will have the chance to get a point here for his free throw. That's good for first attempt. And back-to-back free throw points. And that's the end of our third quarter. 74-53. Umiinit pa rin ang Stallions dito at sa pagbabalik natin our last quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium for our final quarter. 74-54 sa ating talaan, and still abante dito ang Blue Stallion. Correa 4-3, no good. Now, ball possession ngayon ng USI. Posada for that jump shot at makakakuha ng magandang puntos para sa Falcons. Now Castro with the rebound. Binigay dito kay Posada. USI Falcons. Jump shot ngayon, no good. Second chance point was good for Labalan. Now, Posada. May hawak dito ng bola para sa Falcons.
Posada. Passes to Borse. A pass to Quijano. He's struggling. No good. Makukuha yan ng Stallions.
Labalan. Atanasio. Now, ball possession to ng ating CSPC Blue Stallion. And to hear an update sa side ng Falcons, tawagin natin si Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Aljon. Last quarter na nga and patuloy pa rin na humahabol ang Falcons. Coach Tupe gave emphasis to the effective positioning na dapat gawin for them to lead the scoreboard for the remaining minutes. Yan muna, quick update. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Aljon.
Thank you so much, Chen. So, ang Falcons dito ngayon, talagang they're trying to make a way para makadikit sa Stallions. Sitingnan natin na steal for the CSPs in a block. Coming from the Falcons. But the ball will go to the Stallions. Tries for 3. No good.
Nianggar to inbound. Now, Amanda will give us an update sa side ng Blue Stallion. Amanda, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Aljon. We are now in the last quarter at lamang pa rin ang Blue Stallions, keeping their blue game and kicking their smooth performance. A great communication and transition offense ang nakikita natin sa Blue Stallions. Coach Peter exhorted to give their defensive game plan, their pressure, and corner towards the opponent, not giving luck to the USI Falcons to get this game. Ipapanalo, that was the mindset of the Blue Stallions. Bagging the CSPC pride, they keep motivated and prove that they are well prepared and fired up. That is for now. Rick and Aljon, balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Amanda. Yes, they are fired up in this fourth quarter and really trying to use their momentum against the Falcons. And that last sequence nga, a very nice move, and that makes the USI Falcons push the button of the timeout. It's 80 against 56. Babalik po kami uli at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating fourth and final quarter here. Abante pa rin dito ang Blue Stallion, and let's see kung ano bang magagawa dito ng Falcons to tie up this match at para makuha ang panalong ito.
Posada passes to Burse. Passes to 4. Balik kay Posada. Castro tries for 3. No good. A very nice move coming from the Stallions. Borse, may hawak ng bola. Passes to Mendoza. An inside pass to 4. And a steal. Stallions ngayon umaarangkada. Tries for 3. Wow! A very confident 3 points.
Now, Posada with the ball. Passes to his teammate for that 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Out of bounds ball. And now Atanasio again. Libreng-libre para dito sa Blue Stallion. Mapapatawag nga dito ulit ng timeout ang ating USI Falcons 56-87 sa ating talaan. 6 minutes and 17 seconds remaining on our time here. Magbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here at the Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. Last 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Ravalo, a wrong pass. And a steal, back-to-back steal. Quijano with the ball, passes to his teammate. Burse, passes to Ravalo. What will they do? Quijano, an attempt, wala pa rin.
Now, Correa with the ball. Too strong on that pass. Turnover para dito sa koponan ng Blue Stallion.
Mendoza, balik kay Burse. Passes to Ravalo. Tries for 3. Wala.
Now, Cornelio Jason passes to Niangar. Taking their time here, Belhica. 10 seconds to shoot. Niangar for that jump shot. No good.
Makukuha yan ng Falcons. Dire-diretso. Burse. An attempt. And good for 2 points.
Now, Cornelio Jason. May hawak ng bola. Passes to his teammate. The ball will remain on the side of the Blue Stallion. De Young to inbound para dito sa Blue Stallion. Correa for 3. No good.
Makukuha yan ng Falcons. Dire-diretso. A pass. And that's good. A nice assist. De Young may hawak ng bola. Papasok sa loob. An assist. No good for that attempt. And a whistle foul. Number 17 of CSPC.
Back to Blue Stallion basketball. De Young. Passes to his teammate. Amazing basketball para dito sa Blue Stallion.
Ravalo may hawak ng bola. Passes to his teammate for 3. No good.
Belhica rather. To De Young. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng USI Falcons. De Young ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. 5 seconds to shoot.
That's gonna be a turnover. And the ball will go to the Falcons. A comfortable lead here for the Stallions rather.
Now, De Young. Looking for his teammate and taking their time here para sa Blue Stallion. 10 seconds to shoot. De Jong for 3, no good.
Arizona is in this quarter. The basketball will go to the Stallions.
De Jong to Cornea for 3, too short on that.
And Ravalo passes to his teammate. Papasok sa loob. No good for that attempt. And a foul was called to the Stallions. Borse is on the free throw line. A missed free throw. 2 seconds and 45 2 minutes and 45 seconds for this quarter.
CSPC Basketball. De Jong ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola para sa kanilang kupunan. And a steal coming from Castro.
Balik kay Borse. An inside pass to what a good assist coming from Borse and a converted point by Mendoza.
No good on that. Now, USA Falcons basketball. Arnoza pumasok sa gitna. Makakakuha dito ng 2 points. Now Cornelio Jason. Last 2 minutes na tayo. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng both teams? Abante pa rin dito ang ating Blue Stallion. Cornelio Jason for that. A free throw. Pasok nga ang unang attempt na yon. One more try for Cornelio Jason. No good. Offensive rebound dito.
In a steal.
Back-to-back steal.
Yes, Rick. Mapupunta yan sa Falcons. No good in that attempt. Look, passes to his teammate. And a steal for the Stallions. That's gonna be a whistle foul. And a whistle foul here. Number 28, pushing foul. Ball to inbound ngayon. Ang Falcons. Castro. Passes to his teammate. Papasok sa loob. A nice assist. Converted by Quijano. Stallions dito. May hawak ng bola. Jersey number 2. Passes to his teammate. Jersey number 8. No good for that attempt. Look. May hawak ng bola. A long pass. And that's gonna be 2 points for the Falcons. 30 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Jersey number 8 of the Stallions. Umaarangkada. 20 seconds on the shot clock. And after ng match po na ito, we have a big game for juniors division. We have the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights will head-to-head against the UNC Greyhounds. So support your school, support your idols by watching here at the Ateneo Dinaga University or on our live stream on Facebook, Oragon Sports TV Bokal Facebook page, and sa ating YouTube channel, One Media TV 48 Naga. And Quijano still able to get that point.
That's it. That's the end of our game here. 90-77 sa ating talaan. Panalo dito ang Blue Stallion. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating best player of the game. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
best player of the game is brought to you by NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. So here with me now is the best player of the game from CSBC Blue Stallions with a jersey number 13. With the points, 21, 1 rebound, 5 assists, and 2 steals. Our best player of the game is Noel Atanasio. Congratulations, Noel. So, how was the feeling of being the best player of this game?
I'm thankful po kasi nag-best player ako, tsaka nanalo yung team namin.
Alright, thank you so much. Knowing that you undergo an extreme training, can you share to us what has been your inspiration and motivation to perform well inside the hard court?
Yung akin lang, yung ano ko po para po talaga sa CSPC and sa family ko and sa God and sa mga friend ko. Yan lang po.
Thank you so much for doing it for CSPC. So may gusto ka bang pasalamatan at i-shout out?
Shout out po pala sa mga taga-Bao and sa lahat ng taga-CSPC.
Alright, maraming salamat. Once again, our best player of the game is from Blue Stallions, Noel Atanasio. There we have it. Once again, stay tuned to Bukal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This has been Amanda Lazaro, your courtside reporter from the bench of Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. Back to you, Rick and Aljan.
And there you have it, a big win of the CSPC Blue Stallions. And with that, congratulations to our best player of the game, Noel Atanasio, with 21 points, 1 rebound, and 5 assists, and 2 steals. Congratulations, Blue Stallions.
Yes, talagang binigyan tayo ng magandang laban ng Falcons and the Blue Stallions. So abangan natin ang last game natin ngayon, the Ateneo Golden Knights versus the UNC Greyhounds. Again, this is Rick Puerta.
And I'm Aljon Pogoy.
At samahan nyo kami dito lang sa aming Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.